Hello my viewers, welcome to another day in Lagos, Nigeria, and this is an update on the Alverton estate. I've done series of videos on this estate now, and we've made a lot of progress. I told you in other video, this place is at Sangotedo, very close to Shoprite and very close to a lot of schools, Green Spring, White Dog, Lufasi Nature Park, Fara Park estate, and 2-bedroom terraces is selling for 42 million naira, and 3-bedroom terrace is selling for 46 million naira, and we have a lot of features. After this video, I will project the features to you so that you can see all what we have. But this morning, I will feature the engineer that has been working tirelessly to make sure that this estate is standing by June 2022. So I want to talk about what we've used to the point that we are now, so that you can use that we have you in mind and we are using a quality material. So come along with me and let's meet our engineer. So this is Engineer Femi, and he will be the one to tell us what they've done so far, to where the estate is now, and what they are going to use to finish this estate. You know, I know you want to know. You want to know how this thing, at least you can see the progress. If you check my video that we done, we did that video like a month ago, you see that there are lots of progress. So Mr. Femi, can you tell us what you've been doing so far?
Good morning, ma. We launched this site in August last year. We began to work on the painting and also on the gate that was on the gym. And on the material works that's finishing of which we're busy right now. And also we began to work on the altogether we have about 24 houses altogether. That's 6 block, and we have 4 blocks. That's block A, B, C, and D. Firstly, we can work on the first block. So we're down on the foundation. We're done with that. Then we've done the block work for the ground floor. And yesterday we did our columns, concrete for the ground floor. Presently, the carpenters are doing work for the lintel. So we're not stopping down. We're not stopping, and we're not slowing the pace of works. Regards quality of work, we ensure that each of our materials is of the best quality in the market. We don't compromise. Even though it's expensive, for instance, our wood we use here is kind of more expensive, but we make sure we go that length so that our projects come out fine, our clients are satisfied with the quality of what we do. The same thing applies to our reinforcing. We don't compromise. Even though what we use is expensive here, but we make sure we go that length so that our clients are satisfied. Because our concrete works, it's in accordance with standards set by Lagos State government. After each concrete works is carried out here on site, we'll take samples, which called cube modes, and we'll take it to the crushing lab at Ajayi. Lagos State laboratory there. We crush it and make sure that it is of the required strength. Anyone who needs that value can be inquired to my office or have our documents. For each of the concrete works, we'll take our samples and we'll crush it and of adequate strength. Structurally, our work is safe. And aesthetically, we can be, our clients are very sure that what you have on a 3D is basically what we're going to see here. There's going to be no deviation from that. No deviation. And very soon, we're going to commence work on the second block. Very soon. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in terms of the finishing, you know, there are some clients that they say, oh, this is how I want my house. So you've measured everything, how you want everything. This is the kitchen, this is the... What are the things that this estate will come with?
Okay, yeah. So for the estate features, you can be very sure the clients will get good environment, will be interlocked. We have good water supply, there will see TV, right? So there will be a kids playground over there. We'll set out very soon. There will be a mini. Security is corporate. There will be CCTVs all around. There will be fire alarms. We also have water hydrants. Make sure that safety, we don't compromise safety. Also, you can very sure 24/7 water power. Yes, 24/7 power. would have both electric power and then a standby generator that can power all the units to have that. And then there'll be adequate cover facilities for both the houses and then anyone who comes to visit the resident of the house estate also. Yeah.
Okay, so in terms of the kitchen, because you know we women we like this thing. Can you tell us the size of the kitchen and what will be the things that the kitchen will come with?
Okay, the kitchen is 5.8 meters by 2.5 meters. So if we do the rough math, close around 15 square meters to thereabouts. That's for the kitchen. So it's very, very big. And then they come with the cabinets fully fitted. Fully fitted. Yes, ma'am.
So fully fitted. Can you explain that fully fitted?
Yeah, all the necessary reminding that come with the cabinet and all that. And the likes.
Alright. So what is the delivery period for this estate? Like you told us that the first block 6 units of the terraces which comprise of 2 and 3 bedrooms.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what's the delivery time that you can give us? You know, the project started August, right?
Yes, that's when they're launching.
Launching.
The actual this block by November.
November, the block started, and we've been to this level.
Just less than 3 months.
Less than 3 months, we've been to this level. Okay, so what's the delivery period for whichever that key into it now? So what is the time you do?
For anyone who makes payments outright, within 6 to 8 months, you need to deliver it. 6 to 8 months latest, you make the payment outright. While anyone who pays instrumentally, within 12 months, you need to deliver. So basically, anyone who pays for this, very sure in 6 months, there is no payment. Because we have been work about 2 months already on this. So if you make payment now, within 6 months, you're moving here.
Can you tell us more about the structural engineer? What are the things that I can say that because I'm seeing that there are a lot of things I might not know more about because I'm not an engineer.
Okay.
But I can say that the cement, because as I'm looking at it, I'm looking at quality cement. Can you tell us more about it? I want people to feel us that we are doing a good job in the Alverton estate.
So the Ghana Foundation made use of 20 mm reinforcements, 20 mm reinforcements, 16 mm, 12 and 10. Our foundation was about 1.5 meters high, which is very, very reductive. Basically what you are seeing now is only just about half of it. I want to some figures we went deep. We carried out our soil test prior to construction. Make sure that our foundation sits on the right depth. We didn't compromise, we did our soil test, and our design and our construction was done in accordance with what the structural engineer stipulated for this project. So for our reinforcement that I said for the foundation, we had 20 mm, we had 16, we had 12, we had 10. It was a lot of reinforcement. But we have to make sure that quality was delivered. For the last slab also, we had a connection of 12, 16 and 10. While for our columns, we used 16 mm with the rings at 10 mm.
That's fantastic. That's a very good job. And for my viewers, there was a video that I did on the Alverton. Okay, my children did. We don't compromise with the Alverton, and we are here to give you best of the best in this estate. And with a minimum of 7 million naira, you can key in right now. We have 2-bedroom terraces, which is going for 42 million naira, and we have 3-bedroom terraces, which is going for 46 million naira. This has governor consent, a very good title document, and this estate is facing LEKKI EXPRESSWAY, sharing bandwidth with Fara Park. You might not want to live in this place, but you can get it for an investment. You can use it for rentals, you can use it for short let, and you can even use it for a Airbnb, anyone that you prefer. So I want you to key in now. If you're watching this video for the first time or you come across this channel for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. And also don't forget to follow us on all